Hi, I'm Kevan Jones. I'm the Executive Director of SACIA, the Southern African Communications Industries Association, and I thought that today I would reflect on the difference between a qualification and a professional designation. In order to do so, I need to focus quickly on the academic landscape in South Africa. So SACWA is the South African Qualifications Authority. They're the organisation responsible for the registration of all qualifications and also for the recognition of professional bodies and the designations that are awarded by professional bodies. There are a number of training providers that issue qualifications. So primary and secondary education training providers issue qualifications under the gamut of Umalusi, which is a quality council. Academic qualifications, particularly higher learning academic qualifications, are issued under the auspices of the Council for Higher Education, and the QCTO, the Quality Council for Trades and Occupations, is responsible for issuing occupational and vocational certificates and qualifications. As far as professional bodies are concerned, again, where professional bodies are appointed by SACWA or recognized by SACWA, there are currently 107 professional bodies that are recognized, and we are responsible for developing and awarding professional designations and for encouraging continuing professional development related to those designations. One of the key differences between a qualification and a professional designation is that qualifications are issued by these various providers at an NQF level. So NQF is the National Qualifications Framework, and when you earn a qualification, it would be set at a particular level. Many of you will be familiar with your matric certificate or your national senior certificate, which sits at NQF level 4. As the numbers go up, they become more complex. So an NQF level 7 would be a bachelor's degree, an NQF level 10 would be a doctorate. Professional designations, slightly different. So as I said, professional designations are awarded by professional bodies, and the criteria that are used are what SACWA call the 4 E's of excellence. So when we're putting together a professional designation, we look at an individual's education, we look at their work experience, we look at their work ethic, and then there is, in addition, an examination or alternatively a review of a portfolio of evidence that testifies in favor of an individual's knowledge. So the 4 E's of excellence. And just to explain to you how it works, I'm going to use an example outside of SACIA's field. I'm going to look at a chartered accountant. So how does somebody go about becoming a chartered accountant? So the first thing that they do is they enroll at university and they engage in at least 4 years of study in the accounting profession. Once they've graduated with a bachelor's degree and honours, they join an accounting firm and they assume a learnership. So they work under the supervision of an experienced practitioner for a period of 2 years. And at the end of that 2-year period, they then write a board exam, they sign a code of conduct, and they are eligible to be admitted as a chartered accountant. So if I just relate that back to the 4 E's that I spoke about earlier, they have the education, they have the work experience, they have the ethics, and they have the examination, and only at that stage are they eligible to join the Institute of Chartered Accountants and put the CA designation behind their name. But the fact that they have completed that process does not mean that they can call themselves a CA. They still need to go through the process of joining the Institute, submitting their application, and paying their membership fees. Does that sound difficult? That's not where it ends. Once you've earned a professional designation, you also need to maintain it. You need to maintain your membership in the professional body that awarded the designation. You need to abide by the Code of Professional Conduct, and you need to participate in a program of continuing professional development that keeps you up to date with the trends and technologies shaping the future of the industry that you work in. So here's a summary. Qualifications are awarded by an academic body that is registered with the Quality Council. They're set at a specific NQF level, and they demonstrate that you have knowledge at a specific point in time. This is your qualification. You can frame it and you can put it up on the wall. There's no requirement for continuing professional development. Designations, on the other hand, are awarded by a SACIA recognized professional body and do not have a specific NQF level associated with them. They're awarded based on the 4 E's of excellence. We look at somebody's qualifications, we look at their work experience, we look at their work ethic, and we have a board examination. Those designations are always owned by the professional body, and if you do not participate in a program of continuing professional development, if you don't abide by the Code of Professional Conduct, and you don't maintain your membership of the awarding body, then you forfeit your right to hold that professional designation. SACIA has 10 professional designations that we award, 3 of them in the theatre and live events sector, associate practitioner and professional levels. We have another 3 for audiovisual practitioners, so again 3 levels, associate, practitioner and professional. We have 3 designations for individuals working in the broadcast and communications sector. And then finally, we have the SASC designation, which is awarded to professional cinematographers, particularly working in commercials, high-end television series, and the feature film industry. So I hope that explains to you what the difference between qualifications and professional designations is all about. If you have any other questions, or if you'd like more information about designations, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you.